Understanding the Big Three Jewish Communities. The Jewish people, despite being a relatively small group in global terms, are incredibly diverse. This diversity is often encapsulated in the concept of the Big Three Jewish communities: Ashkenazi, Sephardi, and Mizrahi Jews. Each of these groups has its unique history, culture, and traditions that contribute to the rich tapestry of Jewish life worldwide. Understanding these communities is crucial to appreciating the full breadth of Jewish heritage. Ashkenazi Jews. Ashkenazi Jews primarily trace their ancestry to Central and Eastern Europe. The term Ashkenazi is derived from Ashkenaz, a medieval Hebrew word for Germany. Over centuries, Ashkenazi Jews developed distinct cultural and religious practices, heavily influenced by the regions they inhabited. Language and culture. Yiddish, a High German-derived language written in Hebrew script, became the vernacular of many Ashkenazi communities. Their cultural contributions include a rich tradition of Yiddish literature, theater, and music. Religious practices. Ashkenazi religious customs often include distinctive prayer rites and liturgical melodies. The Ashkenazi halakhic, Jewish law tradition, also has unique interpretations and emphases compared to other Jewish communities. Diaspora and influence. Following persecution, especially during the Holocaust, many Ashkenazi Jews emigrated to North America, Israel, and other parts of the world. Today, Ashkenazi Jews make up the majority of the Jewish population in the United States and Israel. Sephardi Jews. Sephardi Jews originate from the Iberian Peninsula, specifically Spain and Portugal. The term Sephardi comes from Sepharad, the Hebrew word for Spain. After being expelled from Spain in 1492, many Sephardi Jews dispersed throughout the Mediterranean, North Africa, and the Middle East. Language and culture. Ladino, a Judeo-Spanish language, was the common tongue among Sephardi Jews. Their culture is marked by a blend of Spanish, Moorish, and later Ottoman influences, producing a rich tradition of poetry, philosophy, and religious scholarship. Religious practices. Sephardi. Religious customs are noted for their particular liturgical rites known as the Sephardic tradition. This includes unique melodies, piyutim, liturgical poems, and halakhic rulings. Diaspora and influence. The expulsion from Spain led Sephardi Jews to establish vibrant communities in places like Morocco, Greece, Turkey, and the Balkans. Today, significant Sephardi populations can be found in Israel, France, and the Americas. Mizrahi Jews. Mizrahi Jews, sometimes referred to as Eastern or Oriental Jews, hail from the Middle East and North Africa. This broad category includes Jews from countries such as Iraq, Iran, Yemen, and Egypt. Language and culture. Mizrahi Jews speak various languages, including Arabic, Persian, and Aramaic. Their cultural heritage includes a rich tradition of music, cuisine, and customs that reflect their diverse origins. Religious practices. Mizrahi. Religious traditions encompass a wide array of customs and interpretations of Jewish law, often influenced by their interactions with surrounding Islamic cultures. They have distinct liturgical practices and melodies that differ from both Ashkenazi and Sephardi traditions. Diaspora and influence. The establishment of the State of Israel in 1948 led to significant migration of Mizrahi Jews to Israel. Today, they form an integral part of Israeli society, contributing to its cultural and social mosaic.